Good Monday evening to you. Richard Scott here with your forecast update. We got some warmer weather coming up next several days. Temperatures a little bit above average, but then it gets cold again. In fact, it gets pretty chilly by the time we go into the weekend. Let me show you what we got in terms of the tornado path so far across Alabama. Interesting to note, there were only 3 tornadoes in Alabama. Back in Mississippi, there are a few more. You know, the Columbus tornado, that was an EF3. That one storm dropped 2 tornadoes in Alabama, one in Lamar County, an EF1, and then dropped another tornado in northeast Fayette County. That was an EF0. There was a rogue rotating thunderstorm down in Coosa County. It's kind of all by itself, about 2:30 in the morning, again, Saturday night into Sunday morning. That was an EF1 just below Rockford, but the rest of the state, no widespread damage reported in terms of tornado damage. There was some straight-line wind damage up around the Hamilton area and some near Birmingham, but again, in terms of the number of tornadoes, the count was pretty low for this event, which is a good thing. In terms of radar, things pretty quiet tonight. A couple of showers near Columbus. Those are falling apart. It's moving to Alabama. Temperatures in the 50s in Tuscaloosa now. We got a 43 back in Summerton. This recording, by the way, about 9:45 on this Monday night. In terms of rainfall, we've had plenty of it. Many areas near a foot of rain so far since January 1st, and there's surpluses across much of the area. And we do note there are river flood warnings in effect for much of central and west Alabama. We got a river flood warnings for the Sukanachi, Tombigbee, Black Warrior, and the Cahaba in Alabama River, also in East Alabama, the Coosa River. But the river flood warnings has been discontinued for the Tuscaloosa area as the rivers are beginning to drop below flood stage. In terms of the temperature, 52 in T-Town, 40s to the north. Skies a little more clear up in North Alabama earlier this evening, but those clouds also beginning to thicken up. Rain is to our south tonight, and some really cold stuff near the Canadian border. They just can't catch a break this winter. I mean, they got 15, 20 below zero in spots up there. We'll be watching that. That will break south as we go into late in the weekend into early next week. So 67 tomorrow, partly sunny to mostly cloudy for Tuesday. Not a bad day overall. There could be a stray shower. I think the chance for rain is going to be low as we go into the day. On Wednesday, the rain chance continues at about a 20 to 30%. Many of it's going to be dry. Thursday, though, into Friday, pretty good chance for some rain here locally. Forecast tonight, low near 40, partly cloudy, cool 67 tomorrow, mild day for this time of the year. Upper 60s to near 70 on Wednesday and Thursday, as well as on Friday, with some rain at times. I don't think we'll have any flooding issues, but we will get some rain out of this setup. Now, Saturday and Sunday, turning quite a bit colder. In fact, we'll likely be in the 40s all day on Sunday as well as on Monday. You can see a freeze at night.